Hello friends, it's Julie Fior and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I relocated and today I will show you how I did this amazing hairstyle inspired by Titanic film. It's a really very gorgeous evening hairstyle, and my inspiration come from this dress because it's very beautiful, and I think it's really like a little ghost from Titanic. So keep watching. This hairstyle is not very difficult. I did this for 50 minutes, but I have two mirrors that I can see my back, so it's really a little bit difficult when you do like this all the time, so it's take time too. So if you have one stationary mirror and second at the back, you will do this hairstyle more faster and will be look gorgeous on any dinner. So let's start. As always, I dried my hair and curled it with 22mm foam rollers before sleeping. I have a video how I do this and will write it in video information. I lightly brushed my hair near the roots, but don't brush the curls. Then you need chignon or something like that, donut or fake hair, or you can use even a sock. I separate my hair and fasten chignon on the back. The main idea is to cover chignon with hair, but to keep curls at the tips. As I mentioned, if you have two stationary mirrors, it will be more easy to do. I left hair on the front to fix it later. Then I create the curls at the back. Here you need to use your imagination to fix curls in places where they will look beautiful. After that, I'm starting to fix my hair from the sides. Just use your imagination, and I'm sure your hairstyle will be even better than mine. If you have two stationary mirrors, it will be definitely better. Styling front curls, and of course cover hairstyle with hairspray. Done! Thank you for watching, waiting your like and follow my channel. New video every Friday. Bye bye.